We all like a good potato reveal, so today we're going to do another one, but it's not a 10 litre pot this time, it's much bigger, but the plant's starting to look worse for wear. The foliage is dying back and they are second earlies, so we might as well empty it and see if we've got a decent harvest or not. But we have got two reasons for doing this today. If we've got enough, we want to save a couple of medium-sized Charlotte potatoes so we can replant them after chitting and then grow them on for Christmas potatoes. And this is the one that we're going to be emptying. As you can see, this foliage, it's all loose, limp, pretty much done. So whatever's in here, I don't think is going to get any bigger, if anything at all. Well, I guess we're going to find out very soon. I also want to save the compost that's in this container so I can re-sieve it and mend it with fertiliser and use it for the new plants that we're going to be putting in. So we'll put this into a wheelbarrow. And then we'll just cut away this top foliage. And I'll bring in a little bit closer so you can see exactly what we're getting. Well, there we go. Well, we've got that, but that's not a very good start. So let's just dig in. Not the biggest of potatoes, but not bad. We have got quite a lot of small ones. But that's more like it. That's a winner. So we're still getting quite a few potatoes out of this. So although smaller than the ones that came out that 10 litre pot, there are more of them. Just keep putting these to one side. A few more. Even these little small ones are perfect for salads, but we're still getting a few biggish ones. We'll get rid of some of this soil so we don't miss anything. Another one. looks like that is it. So basically that's what we got. There is quite a few potatoes there, but there's a lot of small ones as well, considering it was quite a big pot. We'll give these away, see what we got. So we'll just get these in a bag and give them a quick weigh. The potatoes are still in good condition though, no splitting, no damage. I'll just tie this up, I'll get it on those scales. I have got links in the description for these weighing scales if you want one to see what your own container potatoes weigh. Okay, that's on pounds and it's set to 0. Let's see what we've got. So hopefully you can see that. We've got 3.33 pounds out of that container. So, results of that bigger container, 3.33 pounds of potatoes, all undamaged and clean. But when we did the other harvest out of a 10 litre pot, we got potatoes of around about the same size, but more consistently bigger than the ones out of this pot. We have got quite a few small ones in there, which is still perfectly usable. But that 10 litre container had 1.7 pound of potatoes in it. And this is more like a 25 litre. Maybe 30 litre, not 100% sure. So this container is more or less double of what the small one was, which is still a good harvest. But I was expecting a little bit more and a little bit bigger. But we've still got plenty of containers to go at as well. And we'll be getting around to them soon enough, because again, they are Charlotte second earlies, so the plants are starting to die off on the top now. So whatever's in there is in there. And now we get to select a few of these potatoes, medium sized one, about the size of eggs. And we'll select a few of those and then we're going to chip them. And we're going to replant them in that same pot with amended compost. So we can grow ourselves some Christmas potatoes, which again are going to take 17 to 18 weeks from planting those to harvest. And we'll see how that turns out using potatoes that we ourselves have already grown. Because if we get something out of that, it's cost us nothing. But if we don't get anything, we've also lost nothing, because we didn't have to buy the seed potatoes for that experiment, and we're using the same compost we used before. So I think it's an experiment worth trying out. Anyway, thank you very much for watching that little potato reveal, and hopefully we'll get better ones in the future. Because don't forget, we have got a raised bed that's only 6 foot by 3 foot, and that's got 28 seed potatoes in it. So it's going to be interesting to see exactly what comes out of there. But with the weather being like it is, affecting your plants week by week, you never know what you're going to get from one year to next. Anyway, take care, and if you want to see what else we harvest in future, please just hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and we'll see you on the next update. You all take care. Thank you.